So let's take a look at how you can track the Potluck sign up sheet. So for that, in Airtable we will start from scratch. Now here we'll change the name of page to Potluck sign up sheet, right? Or you can even write tracking, right? Here we have our table view. I can also rename the table to Potluck tracking, right? Now the next thing we will use here is we can use auto number here, right? So first thing is editing this field, right? So edit this field. I can use auto number, automatically increment unique counter for each record. Save it, right? We have here 1 2 3 4. You can also rename this with edit field here number, right? Save this. Now we will get rid of existing fields, right? So assignee status, we don't need that. Now we will add one by one field, first starting with name. So it should be single line text. So name of the person, we don't have default text to add, create field, right? Next thing, we will add one more single line text, which is going to be food type, right? So here it could be the type like side dish, main dish, right? Or dessert or other, right? What that person is bringing to the potluck, we will add that. Finally, we also have some description, what they are bringing or what they are supposed to do on that particular time. So we have that number auto incremented. I can add some name like John, main dish, and then here I can see gravy, stew, veg, right? Then we have some other person, then we have side dish, say rice and curry. Then we have someone else to add one more main dish to say fish, right? So these are some of the entries I have added. So what we can do, we can create a form which once typed should add the entries here. For that we can go to view, then form, then I can add Potluck sign up tracker, then we have personal. So here as you can see, something like, let's say, add your side main dessert dish to the form, right? Now once we saved this, next thing we can open the form, right? In another tab it should look something like this, where you can see Potluck sign up tracker. So name is, let's see, Riley. Then we have food, dessert, which is pineapple raita, right? If I submit this, it should go to my database and I can view that from grid view, right? And let me show you the view. You can see Riley, dessert, and then pineapple raita. So we managed to create this simple Potluck sign up tracker, and we managed to track what each person is going to bring to the potluck, right? So this is something simple which you can do in Excel as well, but if you want to take the online options for this, and then you want to store it somewhere, and Airtable is a good place to do so.